In this video, I'll show you two ways how you can record slow motion on your S24 Ultra. So if you recently bought the S24 Ultra and you want to know how to record slow motion, then let me show you how to do this. So on your Samsung, there are two ways which you can create slow motion videos. So the first way, which I'm going to show you, is built for slow motion, and the second way is where you will need to edit the video. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the camera app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on More. And now within this menu, you're looking for slow motion. As you can see, it's right here. Tap on it. Now this will take you into the slow motion mode. At the top right, you can go ahead and choose your resolution and the frames per second. So UHD is 4K while FHD is 1080. In 4K, you have 120 frames per second, while in 1080p, you have 240 and 120. Now you can go ahead and press the record button and start recording your slow motion. And now if you play back, you'll see the slow motion has been applied to your video. Now let me show you the second way of recording a slow motion video. So first you want to go ahead and start your camera app. Next you want to tap on More. And now from this menu, you want to select the Pro Video mode, which is right here, top right. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select the resolution and frames per second. So the higher FPS you will select, the more smooth your slow motion will be. So here I'll go ahead and select 4K and 120 frames per second. Now I'll go ahead and start shooting my video. And now I'll go ahead and play back the video. Now, as you can see, when you play back the video, it'll play back in normal mode. So to make this into slow motion, go ahead and tap on this edit icon here at the bottom left. Now you'll come to the video editor of Samsung. Go ahead and tap on adjust speed. And here you have a choice of different speeds. So you can select half, you can select 1/4, 1/8 or 1/16. So I'll go ahead and select 1/2 and now I'll play it. And now as you can see, the clip has been slowed down for you. So there you go, that are the two ways how you can record slow motion on your S24 Ultra. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.